Welcome, guys, to August's update for Tribe Social. Can you believe it's already August in 2021? We've got some exciting changes to Tribe Social that I wanted to walk you through and just create this quick video. So if you just want to spend 5-10 minutes and figure out exactly what's been updated, this is a great place to watch that an update. And I'm going to walk through just a couple key updates that we pushed in the last couple of weeks, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what's coming the next couple of weeks for Tribe. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to share my screen here, and what we'll do, I'm just going to go over to our website. This is the best place to get all updates. If you click over to the Updates tab here, you can see that here's today's update, version 0.11.0, and we've even put a coming soon version here, which is slated for end of the month. So for August 31st, these are some of the things we're thinking of having in the app by that, and you can kind of see when these updates are released. And let's jump into it. So two really big things that we've created for version 0.11 is new transcoding for uploaded videos. Okay, so if you were in your platform, you went to content and you went into a video and you uploaded a video here, so you know that you can actually upload videos and host videos securely directly with Tribe. So while you can do YouTube and Wistia, Searchy, you can have different types of content types here. Uploading a video directly to Tribe allows you to host it with Tribe and just let it play directly from Tribe, and you don't have to rely on any third-party tools for that. What's cool about this is we've now added transcoding. So what that does is if you upload an HD file, we're actually going to create a couple versions of that file so that it can play back really fast. So if you're watching the video on a phone or LTE connection, you can actually get that video loaded a lot faster, and it just saves a lot of bandwidth and honestly makes it a better experience for the end user. So previously, you would just play a video here, and this was last month's update, and there's nothing down here at the bottom. And then in the new version here, if you click over to this, you can see that now there's a quality selector, and right now it's set to auto. So it's going to look at how fast my internet is right now, and then based on that, it's going to give the right quality of a video to me. And then as the internet gets faster or it buffers, it'll slowly increase that. So it just makes it super fast. You can see how it's buffering here just a little bit. And if I jump to this, it'll start buffering, and then it'll get that version of the file. So super, super cool. And it definitely saves both time for the end user, and it's going to save a ton of bandwidth and stuff overall. So we're excited about that. Only thing you have to do is just upload your videos, and it will automatically convert. We're using Amazon for this, and you can see all these jobs come in from here, and we'll actually get transcoded into a 360p, a 720, a 1080p at these different video settings. If you want to nerd out about how we're transcoding, this is what we're using. And if you guys have any suggestions on this, we'd love to hear any requests on if you have specific formats you want. That's something we can add to the pipeline fairly easily. So jumping back to our updates here, the last thing or the other big change we have is full control of colors. So previously, when you're in the platform, let's jump back over to our demo platform. You could change colors, say for the background of the nav, and this button, for example, the color could be changed. What we've done now is that when you change your colors if you go to dashboard, platform, and you click on the edit button, all these colors get used throughout the entire app. So if we use this one shade of gray, that actually gets used now for everything. The text that's right here, the text that's in here. If you click into a video and we scroll down, the text that's down here. So those colors get used everywhere. So the really cool thing about this is that you can actually invert the colors, which I think is pretty cool. And so let's jump back over to the platform. And instead of saying a light brand color here, I could actually put a dark color right there. So kind of rotate the hashtag there. And let's just make this white. So it's just FFF, and we'll hit save. And so not only does it change the back end of your app, sorry, the main platform, it also changes your dashboard. So I'm going to refresh that in a second. So I'll refresh, and then you can see it even like inverted the colors from my dashboard. And if I hit edit here, you can see that the logo's now disappeared because I had a white logo before. So now I'm going to upload a quick logo here that's dark. Cool. Hit save. Let's jump back to our platform. And you can see just with that little change, if I refresh, everything's kind of inverted now. I've got this white navigation, all dark UI for all my videos. And if I click into an article even, um, it's got everything kind of laid out in this dark UI. So just that quick little change, and it basically sets everything for you. So a couple of the quick things, just little things that we've improved throughout the app is this learn more button. I know for some, you're like, why is there a learn more button? I don't know what that does. If you remove the upgrade URL from here, so this is where you could have a sales page if you had different plans or you wanted people to learn more about it. It's just a way to link out to an external page. If you delete that and hit save, that learn more button will actually disappear finally. Silly little thing, but we just fixed that. I don't know why it was there in the first place, but there you go. A couple other things you can do on the platform level. You can hide the sign-in options. That was a request from one of our clients. And you can have the hero image only. So these are a couple little adjustments just to take full control over the design of your platform. So we're really excited about the new changes this means for Tribe. We are implementing a couple cool things behind the scenes. So we'll have more updates coming later in August. And as always, you can check out the Tribe Social website for those updates. And I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek of what those are. The first one is we're creating a new content creator user type. So we have admins and we have free basic premium user accounts. So you will be able to have other content creators. So some uh, organizations that are using Tribe have different content creators, maybe like a couple people that are presenting on video, but you don't necessarily want to give them full admin access to the entire platform. You can create a content creator account, and that content creator can only view content that they've created. So they can't make changes to other people's content. They can just change their own content. And we'll have a view on the platform where, let's say you have a number of different content creators, you can actually click on a specific content creator and see a page of all of their content. So this will be great for either churches or people that have got multiple speakers, or if you're part of an organization with different presenters, it's a great way to kind of find content just from that one creator. And that's cool. So we have a couple other things coming as well. We're pushing a lot of updates. Our team is focusing more and more on Tribe every day, and we're excited to have you along for the journey. If you have any questions whatsoever, help@tribesocial.io, or you can just drop a post into the private Facebook group. As you know, we have this Facebook group that is available to everybody who's a user. So you can check this out. There's different updates in here, and you can comment and ask questions. We're happy to help you however we can. So have an awesome August, and we'll be back in a couple weeks